What beauty! This isn't snow or frost, but salt crystals that we grew ourselves. We add salt to boiling water until it stops dissolving. We dip a twig into it for saturation, then dry it out. We strain the solution and place the prepared twig with tiny salt crystals into it. We leave it for several days. As it cools and water evaporates, excess salt settles on the twig, creating amazing crystals. Day by day, they grow larger, transforming it into an icy wonder, fragile and shining. Do you know what this is? This is a real candy that we grew ourselves. We put a small pot on the stove, pour water into it, and gradually add sugar until it stops dissolving. We dip the tip of a skewer into the ready syrup, then roll it in sugar and leave it to dry. We pour the sugar syrup into a tall container and add coloring if desired. We lower the skewer into it so that it doesn't touch the bottom or sides of the container. We leave the preparation for a week. Each day, the crystals on the stick will become bigger, more transparent, and more beautiful. When the candy is ready, we carefully break the sugar crust that formed on the surface, take it out and dry it. This is how excess sugar settled on the preparation, as water evaporated and formed unique sweet crystals. We transform a paper snowflake into an icy one and let thousands of tiny crystals shine on it. And all we need is salt and water. We dissolve salt in warm water. With a gentle brush, we apply the solution to the snowflake and wait for the water to evaporate. And there it is, ready! Look how the snowflake shimmers. It's covered with thousands of sparkling crystals. And the science here is simple. Water evaporates while salt remains on the paper, creating these amazing crystals.